So you keep hearing about SpaceX and NVIDIA stock, but what are they really? And should you care? Let's break it down, simple and honest. Stock investing means buying a small piece of a company. When you buy one share of SpaceX or NVIDIA, you own a tiny slice of that business. If they grow and make more money, your share becomes worth more. You can sell it later for profit, or some companies even pay you cash dividends just for holding. Think of it like buying a small slice of a restaurant instead of opening your own. You don't cook, but you eat well if the place gets popular. Crypto is different. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, these are digital tokens on computer networks. You don't own a company, you own a digital asset whose value comes from adoption, scarcity, and belief. Crypto moves fast. 10% in a day is normal. Stocks are calmer, backed by real revenue and products. Now, SpaceX. They just went public on June 12, 2026. IPO price was $135. It opened at $150 and surged to over $160. Market cap? Over $2 trillion. That makes SpaceX one of the most valuable companies on Earth. Here's why people are excited. SpaceX dominates satellite launches. Starlink has thousands of satellites beaming internet worldwide. Elon Musk says revenue could hit $1 trillion by 2030. And if big indexes like MSCI add SpaceX, passive funds will be forced to buy billions in shares automatically. But here's the honest part. SpaceX lost nearly $5 billion last year. Analysts call the valuation extremely speculative. And Elon Musk controls over 80% of voting power. So regular shareholders basically have no say in anything. It's exciting, but it's risky. Now, NVIDIA. This is the company powering the artificial intelligence revolution. Every major AI model runs on NVIDIA chips. Their latest quarter? $81 billion in revenue, up 85% from last year. Data center revenue alone hit $75 billion, up 92%. They are guiding $91 billion for next quarter. NVIDIA just announced an $80 billion stock buyback and raised their dividend from 1 cent to 25 cents per share. That's management saying, we believe in our future. The pros? NVIDIA is already profitable, growing fast, and sits at the center of the biggest technology shift in decades. The cons? The stock has already run hard. Expectations are sky high. Any miss, any slowdown in AI spending, and the stock gets punished. Plus, they get no revenue from China right now. That's a big market sitting closed. So which one fits you? SpaceX is the moonshot. High risk, high reward, unproven profitability, but potentially world-changing. If you believe in space infrastructure and Elon Musk's vision, it's a bet on the future. NVIDIA is the established giant riding the AI wave. Already profitable, already massive, but priced for perfection. If AI keeps growing, NVIDIA keeps winning. If AI hype cools, expect turbulence. Neither is a guaranteed win. Both can lose you money. The smart move? Only invest what you can afford to lose. Do your own research, and remember, the best investment is usually the one you understand. Thanks for watching. If this helped, subscribe and share. Building wealth starts with understanding what you own.